In this video, I want to talk about how you can trade with eToro. Now this is pretty simple, guys. If you want to use a real account, make sure you click on the switch to real. If you want to use a demo account, just click on switch to virtual. If you're on a real account, you need to deposit some funds, and after that, you're ready to go. Then simply press on discover. Inside of here, select what you want to trade or just search for it. I'll just choose stocks. In here, you can select any of those that will pop up, and let me just do Nvidia. Then what you want to do is click on trade, type in how much you want to buy for in your currency, or you can do in shares. And once you've done that, just press buy. Now you can see my order has been received at market, so this means when the market opens, it's gonna be bought. So right now the market is closed, so it's just pending until the market opens, but you can see I have some opened orders. Then what I can do is I can click on these, put a stop loss or a take profit. I can close it if I want to, which means to sell it. If I only want to sell some of it, I can do this. So if I only want to sell 2,000, I can do it like this. And this is basically how it works, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.